Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I'm here today with a new mini album that I just finished making. It's travel themed and it's based on my tutorial for the 7x9 interactive album in my Etsy shop. I'll include a link to it, to the tutorial. So like I said, this is travel themed, and I used a bunch of different papers that I had that were also travel themed. And one pad is called Cartography, and there's a bunch of maps, images of maps in there, so I used that on the cover. And here's a map of North Central and part of South America on the front. It reads "Adventure is Waiting." On the spine I covered it with a velour type fabric, and I have a flower that I assembled with a button center. And then on the back I have a little tag where you can write a date or a title for the album. There are 6 two-sided pages on here. No, actually there are 5 two-sided pages, and I made this album a little bit narrower than the one that's in my tutorial. So I adjusted the size of the covers, the pages, and some of the elements so that they would fit. The other album, the one in my tutorial, is just a little bit wider. On the side I have a chain closure, and I've got some little charms in here, and I picked some travel themed charms. I've got a little cactus and a windmill, a little boat, and I also have the Eiffel Tower, and there's some little beads on here, and I just undo the clasp to open the album. So here's the inside cover. It says "Come Fly Away," and I also incorporated some printables that I had from a journal kit that I designed, and it was travel themed, and I thought it would work great with this album, so I printed out my kit and I cut it up so that I could use it in this instead of making it into a journal. So here's part of it. You can write on there, and then here's a picture. It's plain on the back, so you can write. It's just a little embellishment. And then here there's a postcard that was from a paper pack I had. This page in my tutorial has another flap, I believe, that covers, and you open it up to reveal this. I didn't bother putting the flap in this album, so this just opens like that. And then there's room for photos in here. And you can also write with the gold pen if you like. And then there's another fold out here. It's hard to keep this in frame because they're quite long. And then there's room for another photo here. This is from my set of printables. That just slides in the pocket, and I also have this little postcard from a paper pack, and these are the signature pages for the journal kit, and I have little quotes on there. This one reads, "Do not follow where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." And the inside is just plain, and then there's some lines on the back that you can write on, so you can put some photos in here if you like. This opens like that, and there's another pocket here, and I've got another one of these printables in here. This says "Explore, Dream, Discover," and there's room for more photos and memorabilia in there, and of course you can put another photo here. This reads Discovery. I've put a little postcard. This is from my printables. The whole the set of signatures also comes with postcards and different images. Now this can slide in here like that. And this was from a paper pack that opens. So there's room for photos here and here and then here. This is like a little booklet that opens. It's a sideways, I guess, waterfall. You can put a photo here. Again, you can write with a gold pen if you want to use this for journaling, or just add some more pictures of your trip. This was from my my printables. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. And that was a quote by Mark Twain. And you can also put some more photos in there or attach a photo here. This opens like that and it's kept closed with a magnet. More room here. Another tag that I printed, and this says wander, and you can just slide that in there. And that opens like that, so you can put a photo here, another one down here, and you can also put some photos on the back. Here I have just a plain envelope, and you can journal on here. I didn't cover it with paper. This reads Bon Voyage. I just move this little tab and I can open the envelope. I just lined the back of the envelope with this map paper. Here's another of my printables. So there's room to add some more stuff in there. And then this opens like that. And another pocket. Now I can't remember if this page was in the tutorial or not. Basically what it is two envelopes attached together, and then I attached it to the page. I think in the tutorial it might just be a single envelope that I had, and I decided to add this one. And here I've got a double pocket with a little fold out from a paper collection. This is another postcard from my printables set. And then the world is a book, and those who do not travel only read one page. Again, you can journal in that. You can also add some paper in here and stitch it inside if you wanted to make it like a little booklet. And I've got another double pocket here, and this is just a tag I made with some stiff paper from my paper pad. Another one of my printables, and this was also from a paper pad. And then this is held closed with a magnet, so you can journal here. You can put little pictures here if you like. And I only matted the front because you can write in here with a gold pen or add some more pictures. So that opens like that, and you can put photos on the back. And then this one also opens, and you can put something here. And then I really like this page. This is a waterfall that's made with pockets. So again, I've got some magnets in here to hold the whole thing closed. So here's my waterfall. And then each one of these has a little tag. And I didn't cover it. I just left it plain cardstock, and that's made for putting photos on, or again, journaling with the pen, a gold pen. And then here, leaving on a jet plane, I just left this like that, and you can slide something behind here, and I also put some pictures there. So that's my travel themed album. I hope you have a nice afternoon, and as always, happy crafting. Bye.